Hi, I'm Ami Vora. I'm the head of Playmore Nursery. We're situated at Nanachar near Kennedy Bridge. We've started the school since 2 years. Based on my experience of the last 15 years in this field, I was a teacher at Sunflower Nursery and Bal Vikas Nursery. I have run the enrichment class for more than 10 years now, trying to get children into the best schools possible so that their future is brighter, their future is more secured, where academics and their overall development is concerned. Playmore was started with a philosophy that play more to learn more, because a child's work is play. When you leave a child alone with toys and you see that the child is learning on his own, he doesn't really need a teacher to tell him do this or do that. So what we do in our school is create environments for our children. If we are teaching about the farm, we will create the whole classroom into a farm, so that when the child comes into this class, he will feel he's actually stepped into a farm. We'll have hay, animals, animal cutouts, small animals, stories, songs. The whole environment will be about a particular topic. That's how we like to be with our kids. We are more facilitators at a very young age, in playgroup especially. And as the children start growing up, we blend academics in such a way that it becomes a spine or a backbone for the entire structure that we use in school. Playmore is a bridge between your home and the formal school. It is the first step of your child in the outside world. So we want to ensure that the environment, the teachers, the staff, they're all caring, loving. They treat each and every child as an individual and not just as a group. We try and see that every child learns to the best of his or her own capacity. We have a very healthy teacher to child ratio, one teacher for every 6 or 7 children. As they grow up, we have the enrichment program, which again ensures that their child knows all his academic stuff through a very systematic procedure. The sheets go home to the parents twice a week, so the parents are also in the loop. They know exactly what's happening in school. We hold regular meetings to tell the parents what the children are doing, where they're lacking behind, where they need to improve, and what are the strengths, so they can work on those things. Now, how do we balance this need for the child to play and the parents to push for the child to learn more so that they get into a school? And the simple answer is we create these environments. So as this leads us to getting an atmosphere which is a happy place for the child, where the child wants to come enthusiastically every day, and as we say, play more to learn more, and that's our philosophy of this school. Ensure that the child is creative, he's a good communicator, and he's a confident human being.
Thank you.
When the child steps out of Playmore Nursery, he's taking back good memories of the school, and we ensure that the child is creative, he's a good communicator, and he's a confident human being. Thank you.